The next topic 2.4 properties of division. Division is actually the reverse process of multiplication. Division refers to dividing a set into equal parts, whereas multiplication refers to joining several equal sets together. Rules. The number that is to be divided is called dividend. The number that is divised is called the divisor. The number of times divisor divides a dividend is called quotient. In some divisions, the dividend is not exactly divisible by the divisor. The leftover number is called remainder. The formula is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That is, capital D is equal to small d into Q plus R. This is dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Closure property. If A, B, any two whole numbers, B not equal to 0, A divided by B is not necessarily a whole number. The next property is division by 1 and by the number itself. When a whole number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. The next property, division by 0. The division by 0 is not defined. For example, 8 divided by 0 is undefined. 0. The next property, 0 divided by a whole number. If A is a whole number, 0 divided by A is equal to 0. For example, 0 divided by A is equal to 0 is defined. The next one is 2.5, pattern in whole numbers. Whole numbers can be represented by sequence of equally spaced dots. The first one is triangular numbers. A number that can be represented as a triangular array of dots or triangular numbers. That is 3, 6. Next one, rectangular numbers. Rectangular numbers. Every whole numbers can be represented as a rectangular array of dots. That is 1 into 2. That is 1 row, 2 columns. This is 1 row, 3 columns. This is 2 rows, 3 columns. The next one is square numbers. Some composite numbers can be represented as a square array of dots. They are square numbers. That is 4, 9. Exercise 2.4, second question. Divide and check your answer by the division rule. The question is 74,856 divided by 100. Write down the solution. 74,856 divided by 100. First taking first 3-digit values. So 7 times 700. 700. Subtract 4840. So now 5. Now is 485. This is 4 times this 400. 5, 8, 6, yeah, 856. This is 8 times 800, balance 56. This is the quotient. This is remainder. The division rule. Capital D is equal to small d into quotient plus remainder. Here, finding the dividend value. So, the divisor is, this is divisor, 100 into the quotient is 748 plus the remainder is 56. Here the answer is 74800 plus 56. The answer is 74856. That is the dividend. Exercise 2.4, 4 marks on second question. The first one is 3,468 divided by 23. The second question, 4,965 divided 33. Third question, 54,716 divided 250. Next, exercise 2.4, fourth question, Find what Q stands for in each of the following. The question is 56 divided 7 is equal to Q. Solution. Find Q value. So divide 56 divided 7. In 7 tables, 8 times 56. Subtract this, value is 0. Now the quotient is 8. So Q is equal to 8. This is the answer. Exercise 2.4, homework sum, fourth question. Find what Q stands for in each of the following. First question, Q is equal to 72 divided 8. Second one, 0 divided 50 is equal to Q. Third question, 52 divide Q is equal to 1. Question 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Also homework sums. The second chapter over.